Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kuble yipi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. U National President ke NPP u Conrad ki sangma ula Pdiang sngoba ya u MLA Kamaliam constituency ha kajingelang balalong hayeng u CM hapulu. Ya u ba Ronnie Lyngdoh u blale eso barka National People's Party NPP ha kajingeran langbat uba Preston Song State President. Agni kajingelang u Conrad ki sangma ula penpau kajing sngo kemen bat Pdiang sngoba ya u ba Ronnie kum udukot thamai jong ka party. Long ba kajingwan jong ba Ronnie kanwan ra shibun kajing klan ha kaseng Hamaliam constituency bat ha East Castles hi baro kawe. Uba Ronnie Lyngdoh u MLA bala no ya kaseng Congress ula ong bakarai banyaso baka NPP kadai namar kajingkmen bantrelang baka parti kabaran kathong ban syakri hog ya ki paitba. Ki paitba na Hamaliam ki blasa khilang ha gani kajingelang kila penpau kajing sngo kemen halor gani kajingja ban penpau ru bakin ai kajing kershan ka bapura ha ke election ka badangwan.
Thit kam arise. Haka constitution joker India haka bedei haka sensyar ka kadar kaktin thit kam judon. Kedon tang kawe ka kentin bat kata kalong ban syakri. Te kendiat sengi akan mau kiwan kinong thokot kubor ki keli yana. Kanu pithit ya iba Ronnie. Kumno pila bantit i kinong yalam mi ba Ronnie. Ang don tang kawe kalat bat kawe kabuy. Iba Ronnie syathit haka development. Iba Ronnie iwan join day namar karoy kapar. But day tang kata iba Ronnie bawan join mde day mapi kinong yalam jong iba Ronnie kiba ong ko ba Ronnie later kong ka kemut ka keman ngidon kam lipstick ngidon kam banta i duridar jong ni lem kumta la ban yap lai kho kata kadeka ka ansa kabami ba nakabenta ka development compare kanus pasnem gar parti pilalong compare katno kata ka parti ka bahabriu lada minus ia karoi kapar tenakal kadaw ngasngaw ban ong hakani gamit kinong yalam jong iba Ronnie pilale ya kabadai ban ngangit skem ban nang ni sakmat kajing tray rengkat jong pi ban iba Ronnie kajing tray jong pi rengkat bat ka blok NPP na Hamaliam nginang la susu panwara ya karoi kapar kapapit kapiang ngamla ban klet Maria job ya election no Ronnie uri sapo house license housein wong yang aku ba Preston syanu kata ka furlin jongpi nang ta menakani ka budget session ni dah keren biang ya kaju ngasukwa ban pentip pai ba judge ba kani ka forlin ka ha u benai Desember ngin pendek sya sitom support tambah hau Desember ngapenti kena ya pi ba ka forlin ka de bandet bat kan long ka jing mentoi ka ban nengkong ya pi ki pai ba jong Kamaliam constituency Te Ronnie penken mau ru kumju ya kasurok bypass nang te nalaban nang te napo kasnong ka kayak gini ka ban mi somet kateka lao sotun ngiladep ban survey ka DPR ngiladep satang bangin yo ya ka forest clearance kaban poi obduna ya ka life hopra hado sopoklur kane u kanlong ke jibenton tepat baleng anut ban ya thu ya kata naman ngidon hakaju ka family menta banum dei badon hakaju family ngan ya thu ok e pingan nam ya thu si kan dia Terus cek biar nak juk family benta ngapa plashe mensim ya pi. Sampai UCM badon purom jongi. Anda lah don program yang nang ni sekmat hapo melim. Un sa plashe mensim sama wahado berpindah jauh umat atat. Nang kiu seprang ka konsensi melim. Bad ngayo iya kadur kadar joka nang ni sekmat kan sanang ipu ipi kublai ya bisa jango.
Like they say in politics, there is no permanent enemy and there is no permanent friend. What is permanent for us is the commitment that we have towards our people, our state, and our country. And I think that is the driving force, and that is a principle on which every single individual who's present here on the stage and off the stage believe, are committed to, and have been working towards that principle. But Ronnie, I take this opportunity to welcome you once again to the family of the National People's Party. I also would like to thank and welcome your family members. I know that decisions like these are not simple. And family plays a crucial role in supporting you in those difficult times to be able to take that decision that will change the entire dynamics of politics, not just in Milim constituency, but in the state as a whole. So I thank Madam and all your family members for being with you and supporting you in these important moments. I would like to thank your block president and the entire committee. As you mentioned, 95% of them were very happy. And you said 5% will come. I'm very sure that that also will happen very soon. But once again, as I said, it is our leaders, it is our workers, it is our people who make us what we are. Yes, we may be in a position, but without their support, without their guidance, we are nobody. And therefore, I am very happy that the leaders, your party workers, and your supporters have almost unanimously decided and supported you in this decision to come and join the family of the National People's Party. Let us all give a round of applause to each and everybody who has made this possible. Thank you so much for all that you have done.